What are you reading? What are you reading?
I'm reading Thomas.
Thomas the Train?
Yeah.
Where did you get those books from?
From Nanny.
From Nanny and Papa Tom?
Yeah.
Do you love them?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to say thank you, Nanny and Papa Tom? What did you say?
Thank you.
Thank you. Do you want to wave at them?
Yeah.
Let's wave. In the camera. Wave.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome, I'm sure. They love you. Wow, look at Thomas. And
This is a mouth face.
that's a mouth? Yeah, the mouth face he's making. You want to show Daddy the picture? You're making the face? Can I see the picture?
Like that.
Let me see. Oh, you're right. Kenzo made the same face. How do you make the face? Kenzo, how do you, like this? Yeah. I love you, son.